Willis Custom Yachts is a premier custom sport fish builder, and we're a full-service repair facility for the marine industries. Being in custom sport fish boat building, nothing is repetitive. If you go to a production boat builder, everything is very repeatable. That's not who we are, it's not what we do. Everything is custom for us. We need to be able to adapt very fast and on the go.
There are some things that differentiate our builds from the other builds. We still do a traditional cold molded hull. We incorporate some of the high-end equipment and materials, which gives us a decrease in weight, an increase in speed without sacrificing the ride. We did break the 50-knot mark, which is exceptional in today's market. In addition to that, our boats have an extreme high-end finish all throughout. A lot of curvature, a lot of sweeps. There aren't many people doing it in the world.
What's very unique about Willis is the attention to detail. Everything has to be precise. The tolerances are 8,000ths on some pieces. I design all the components that we build the boats with. I will take specification from a naval architect or an engineer and design all the features and all the components. I have over 100,000 parts on the boat that we've modeled. What's great about NX is the fact that it's parametric. The updates are automatically going down to production, and it eliminates a lot of errors. That's one of the greatest things that I wanted to have that we didn't have in our previous software.
Because NX has the associativity factor, if you make a design change, it will propagate through any file that's associated to. It made an engineering change much, much faster, but it made it robust as well. It's coming from a single source of information.
Here at Willis CNC Solutions, our goal is to provide everything for a new build. CNC is the backbone of Willis Custom Yachts. We are able to run everything through here, and nearly every part that goes on our new builds runs through this department. Without the CNC department, it would take triple the time to build such a quality boat.
As a programmer, when I receive the CAD file, I open the file in my manufacturing environment, and we analyze the surface, analyze the stock size. I can make sure that the parts can be machined in our CNC machines.
The benefits of having the CAD and CAM all in a single system is everything stays together. Everybody is able to see everything. Previously, we used separate systems for CAD and CAM. A lot of the details did not translate into the CAM that we needed, and the machining of the parts would not always be exactly what was designed.
With NX, the one thing that really separates it from other platforms that I've used is the wide range of 5-axis operation that simplifies and also expedites how long it takes us to program. Machine Toolkit is a digital twin of our CNC machines. It has all the schematics, tool changer, the table, the spoil board. Everything that's inside that envelope is showed in our simulation. The digital twin has helped me reduce setup times and programming in some areas by 50% or more.
What I was able to do is create the specific machine tool simulation kits. That gives you a very comprehensive capability of checking for machine collision detection or component collisions. So now they're able to fully visualize each and every program, ensure that there's no gouges, collisions, and then they can turn the machine on Friday and come back in Monday and everything is done.
Scheduling is one of the main challenges we have. We machine tens of thousands of components for our new builds. And with the digital twin, we are able to run a simulation and get a pretty accurate forecast of our runtime. We know exactly what we're going to encounter, and that allows us to run through the night, lights out, which optimizes our throughput and doubles our machine utilization.
Siemens software definitely helped us expand and grow our business. With the efficiency that we've created, we've been able to create new businesses for our business. We're no longer just making parts for our boats. We're making parts for all the boats that we service. We're making parts for other companies, and we're expanding beyond the marine industry as well.